Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. Yeah, so I'm off today. Not a lot going on. Let's see where this kind of brings me. I know I have to go to Walmart and not sure. Let's see. I know I could get some gas and all that good stuff. So, all right, let's go do this. It causes a panic. I don't care if it's they're calling for a coating or 3 inches or 6 inches. Tonight they're calling 1 to 3 inches. That's what they're calling for. And therefore, everybody freaks out, and they all go to the grocery store at the same time to buy milk and eggs and bread. A lot of people say milk and bread, but I say milk, eggs, and bread because I went back through there just now and I saw that the milk was completely slammed out, sold out. The eggs were gone too, and there was 3 loaves of bread left on the shelf. I wish I had taped it. I really did. Now I videoed it because it's crazy. But anyway, yeah, that's my crazy dog right there. I don't know if you've ever seen my dog or not. Rascal. Come here. Come here. What are you eating? This dog eats the weirdest things. I'm telling you, this dog is crazy. He eats the weirdest stuff. He'll eat like plastic and paper and stuff like that. You crazy dog. You're a crazy dog. Anyway. Yeah, but anyway, so it was crazy at the store. Lots of good people over there though. Lots of people in Walmart that you don't want to necessarily mess with. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Well, they were calling for it, and I think we're going to get it. 1 to 3 inches is what they're calling for. But let me show you. I got some snow going on right now, and if you can, I don't know if you can tell or not, but yeah, but it's coming down. So it looks like we're going to be getting some, and they're calling for ice later on, which is always a good thing. Ice, and I got to work this morning, so I guess what it is. Anyway, this is the end of today's vlog. You know, so you know, come on back in for the morning, and well, later on, and we'll get it up and running later. But you know, yeah, but yeah. So there you go. All right, good night, guys.